There you go.
That's how that goes. I am making things up. This world has no place for protection. Good luck, humans. Do you know European languages are cupcakes for blood and bone, brain, steel, wheel, salt, and sound, and red? You're not ocean. You're like a cupcake for ocean. That's right.
Johnny told me that Ben's gonna
Look at you! Hi! How are you
Thank you. Yes.
Does anybody have like a phone with like a stopwatch on it? Can someone work one of those things? I'd like that. Oh yeah, hey, sounds good. I'd like that very much. I would like someone to come up here. I need a volunteer. Oh, by the way, this is my lovely assistant. This is the big black stick. That's all you need to know. I would like I need a volunteer.
I'll do it.
Okay, come up here. Underneath each one of these things, except for the rabbit, which is inside, is a number. You are going to tell me what it says, and then we are going to time me. Go for it. I'll take a break. Oh yes, the mini pan flute. Good choice.
Okay. So, you want to know?
It's not, well, you know, it doesn't matter. Actually, it doesn't matter.
What am I doing?
Someone has a stopwatch? Is that right? All right, give him the handkerchief of destiny. Show him that time, and then he's going to time me, and then we'll move on from there. But I'm not ready yet. You pick a number between 1 and 23. 23. What'd you say? 23. Oh, that's a good one. Oh yeah, that's a good one. All right. When my time is up, please throw in the handkerchief of destiny. All right. Excellent. Excellent.